everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to order from Shein. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Open up a web browser to begin. In the web address bar that appears at the very top of the screen, type in www.shein.com and log into your Shein account. Go ahead and log into your Shein account, and now in order to order for a product, simply go ahead and shop by category or start off by picking one of the products from the flash sale category, and once you find the product, click on add to bag after choosing the size that you prefer. Once you click on add to bag, the product will be added on your shopping cart. I've already added some of the products in my shopping bag. Simply go ahead and open up your shopping bag by clicking on it, and this is your item summary page. Click on Checkout Securely Now button at the right hand side of the screen in order to end up in the checkout page. Now, simply go ahead and enter some of your information in the shipping address area. Start off by typing in your first name, your last name, and then your phone number. Make sure to enter the correct phone number since you'll be needing it at the time of delivery. Once you type in your phone number, type in your address into the text box. You can search for your address by typing in your postcode or street number. Once you type in your address as well, the rest of the information will be typed in automatically. Click on the Make Default in order to keep this address as default. Now click on Save. You'll need to select a payment method on the next field. Select whether you would like to make a payment for the product with credit or debit card with your PayPal and other options displayed over here. Let me select credit or debit card. Now scroll up, and if you have a voucher code, type it into the voucher code section. Similarly, you can also add in your Shein points, gift cards, or your wallet credit. Finally, after you are done entering all of the information and you'd like to place an order, click on Place Order button, and that is how you can easily order for a product on Shein. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.